Hey, it's Suffering Student here, and today I'm going to showcase what I've been working on the last few days regarding my little game, I guess. And at this point, I have a very simple showcase of the game loop. So let's get it running. So in the last video, link in the description, I showcased having just two squares fighting each other. So now I have added what I would call the very basic game loop. So I'm trying to just create a very small and very simple game, which is gonna be kind of like a roguelike, where you would fight and then keep fighting as many blobs, or as many squares until you lose, and that's small as the game. So right now, I just very simply have a kind of like a shop, which I'm probably gonna call like the camp, where you go back to camp and buy upgrades and stuff. But right now, you can start fighting. And as you see, we have this left square, and we're fighting the right square. In this case, we're fighting. I'm not really set on the speed yet. This might be too slow. But we're fighting. We won. We earned 5 gold. But now I'm only able to go into the camp and buy a heal for 3 gold, which in this case would heal into full. And then I can fight again. And I added a feature I'm quite proud of myself, to say so, which is that these blobs, I'm going to call them blobs, but these squares, whenever I fight them, as you can see on the left, they are spawned in random areas. So right now the last one was up here. Let's see if we can get a new one that's a bit different. Okay, that's kind of similar. But let's just fight it nice and easily. Oh, we're almost dead. So let's fast go into the camp, buy a heal, and continue the fight. And we fight. I think we won this one. We made some more gold. Let's fight another one. For some reason, they're like spawning in the top right now. Let's see if we can get lucky. Get a different spawn location. Doesn't really matter at this point, but as mentioned, just a very simple game loop. Fight. Buy upgrades. Heal in this case. Continue fighting. Just kind of simple, very simple. But for now, I kind of like the feel of it. And I'm probably going to be adding definitely some more setup for the style. As you know, we've got kind of different location, but we're spawning around this area. So if you enjoyed this showcase and would like to see the improvement of my game, or just in general tutorials and different stuff on my channel, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.